good morning from Bedford. So this is Mercure Hotel in Bedford, and this is where I stayed last night. So I've just checked out, a very early checkout, 5:45. Look, 5:45 I've checked out, and there's a street sign, so bus station, that's where we are heading. And Borough, Bedford College, that way. We are going this way, and that's the hotel. Oh wow, part of it looks like a council flat, but anyway, that's it there. And this is called High Street, and now we are crossing the bridge. I believe we are crossing River Ouse. Nice street lights on the bridge. And yeah, it's early in the morning. Early birds things. See, the bean men are out, and that's the river there. Wow. So if you want to read, and that's the sun rising. Swan Hotel. Oh wow, this one didn't appear when I was looking for a place to stay. I really like it. It's a beautiful building. So that's Swan Hotel, and that's Bedford there, the tall building. They have Nando's here, McDonald's, the usual food chain stuff, and sitting area. Wow, nice street furniture, like the bollards here for the first time. The benches, bicycle parking area, sunbeams at the background, and that's just nice little sitting area. You can sit here, relax, and observe the bridge or the river. And flower beds as well, and there is more street sign. I like this color of street signs. It looks professional. So the black and gold. So let's see where we are going. Still going straight on to go to the bus station. So let's cross. And here we can see some buses, stagecoach buses. So still on High Street is one of the streets and buildings. There's a church and a fountain here. I think it's dry. Shame this fountain is erected by the Municipal Council of Bedford. Shame is dry. More beans. Okay, more beans with recycling. Oh no, there's a power mains that's open. That's the view of the church. Let's find out the name of the church. Oh wow, and there's a statue. Let's check the church name and come to the statue. Wow, when they used to do nice sitting benches for the public, look at that. Very nice. This is the Church of St. Paul. Okay, so that's the Church of St. Paul, Bedford. And that's the information there. It's the Church of England. And more street furniture. Wow, lots and lots of street furniture on the streets. And what do we see? Okay, there's a statue of John Howard, 1726 to 1790. Wow, very decorated. And more signage. So look, just from the hotel to here we've seen 3 street signs. Wow, you can't get lost here. So that's the shops here. There's a furniture outlet there, flower beds close to the church. Okay, Bedford a town of markets. Okay, so let's see. Let me see where I'm going. St. Paul's Square. Yeah, I think I need to branch here. Wow, look. Nice. Nice flowers. You know it's early when you see the street cleaners. That lorry there is for cleaning the streets. More flowers, beautiful. And places for parking. And decorative bollards. The new ones or the modern ones don't look like this. They are very blunt and boring. And here, and they have the bins there where they get rid of their waste. Wow, more signage. Explore St. Paul's Square. It's information there. Wow, that's cool. Number 13. What is it? An eatery maybe? Wow, the streets are clean. Even though it's early in the morning, they look clean. Not sure whether the cleaners have been here yet. And this is the other view of St. Paul's Church. Nearly forgot to capture. The church grounds, the daffodils, beautiful. It's the season. Souvlaki station, so that's a Greek eatery. Souvlaki is Greek food or Greek dish. Some information there. Wow, Bedford looks nice. It's clean. Wow. Oh, what's that? I don't know where to look. Nice flowers. This is a bicycle cycling lane. Wow, very nice. And the bin men are out cleaning. And there's another building there. Let's cross and check. So we are still on St. Paul's Square, and Bedford station is straight on. And let's see. Oh, and bus station too. So let's go. And that's just this street here. I can't find the name of it, but that's how it looks. Wow, I like the street. Look, the bicycles have a shelter, a very nice one, a glass one though. Bedford Borough Hub. Okay, that's that building. How many signage are we going to see? Lots and lots. Bedford bus station. We are still on track. So Bedford gets the trophy or the prize for the most signage I've seen. Lots and lots. So we've seen 5 so far. we are about to see another one. So it's entering parking. Service entrance, private road. It's like a shopping center, yeah. It's no wonder. I had a clue with the parking. And there's some bins there. Again, 6th sign, bus station, keep going. They have TK Maxx here. So this is the shopping center. I know it might not look like it from here, but it is inside. And Mill and Cutter Steakhouse. Bicycle parking, more and more. I think Bedford Council is doing a brilliant job. I like the flowers, lots and lots of them. Okay, so let's see, where should I go? Alright, so I need to go this way. See, they even have these hanging ones here. Let's see one that's filled. Yeah, these ones. Let's go. So my map tells me in 4 minutes I'll be at the bus station. So this is the real streets of Bedford in the morning before 6 o'clock, and this is Wednesday morning, so it's a working day. I must say the streets are clean. I'm impressed. There's a Wetherspoon. In Wetherspoon you can go in there and have low price drinks and food. So it's a chain all around the UK, and this is another street with shops, so you can see there. And another sign, the 7th sign. Wow. Bus station, we go straight on. More street furniture, bicycle parking, bins. Business design print. It's a nice business to have. Pizza place. You know what I haven't seen, but maybe I missed it from the other street? A Turkish barber shop. I haven't seen one. It looks like we are approaching the bus station. Hint, hint. Quality discounts. Oh, okay. Never seen the shop. Well, it's closed. It's empty inside. Wow, this is it. This is the bus station. Welcome to Bedford. I can see it. So we've arrived, and I can see the bus that I want to take. So I am going. So this is it. Bedford, real streets of Bedford. Let me know what you think of my little walk, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.